Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can block and unblock someone on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So first step, I will teach you how to block, and on the second step I will teach you how to unblock the same person. Alright, so let's say I want to block New York Magazine. What I can do is click on this little profile picture of their profile, and it's going to bring me to their account. Now once you're inside the person's account, you want to click on the three dot right beside their account. Now once you click on the three dot, it's going to bring you to page setting, and on page setting you can see this option called block. You can click on block and click on block. Now you have blocked the page. Now this is the same step you need to follow if you want to block some person. Alright, I just showed you how to do it in page, but the steps for blocking a person is same. Now once you block the person, what you can do is just close your Facebook and reopen it again, and the person should be blocked. Now if you want to unblock the person again, what you can do is click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. It's going to bring you to your Facebook pages menu. Now once you're in the menu, at the top you can see the setting icon. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook setting page. Over here at the top you can see the search icon. You want to click on search, and over here you want to search for block. B-L-O-C-K, block. Now once you search for block, it's going to show you an option called blocking over here. As you guys can see, now click on blocking, and it's going to show you all the people and all the pages you have blocked on your Facebook. Now since I've only blocked a New York Magazine, it's only showing me one. Now if I want to unblock somebody, right beside their name you can see the unblock button. Just click on unblock and click on unblock, and they will be removed from this list, which means they are no longer blocked. So that's how you guys can block and unblock someone on Facebook. And remember this, if you unblock someone, you cannot block them again for 45 hours. So if you're okay with that, then only unblock them. Alright, so that's how you guys can block and unblock someone on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, just subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.